Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be doing a makeup hacks and tricks video that I haven't shared with you guys. I think I have 5 or 6 lined up, so get excited for that. I won't talk a lot in this intro because I want to get into doing the makeup, into doing the hacks. But before we get to all that, I'm gonna need you right there, to hit that subscribe button. It's a red button, it said subscribe. I'm gonna need you to hit it. And if you enjoy this hacks video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Both of those things would really help me out and I really appreciate it. So let's get into these makeup hacks. The first hack I'm going to share with you guys is an eye makeup hack. So a lot of the times when I watch tutorials, makeup artists use colored eyeshadow bases to make the colors pop, to make the eyeshadow pop. But I don't own any colored eyeshadow bases. I'm just scared I won't like reach for them a lot, you know what I mean? So instead, I like to use colored eyeliners under my eyeshadows to make them even brighter. So today I'll be using a ColourPop cream gel liner, and I'm going to show you guys how I do a colorful wing using a liner and eyeshadow. So first I like to put the eyeliner down in sort of like a wing shape, if that's what I'm going for the day, or all over my eyelid, whatever look I'm going for. And then I will take a eyeshadow that's really similar to that eyeliner color and pack it on with a teeny tiny brush. It both makes the color of the eyeshadow pop as well as make the eyeshadow stay longer on your eye because it has that base to stick down to. I also like to do this on my lower lash line. I often get compliments on like my eyeliner when I wear it on the lower lash line, but it's really a mix of eyeliner and eyeshadow to, you know, get that bold color. So I would definitely recommend doing this. This is a great way to integrate color into your makeup looks without it being like too scary. So yeah, those are 2 ways to use eyeliner as a eyeshadow base. Okay, so that was my first hack. Now the second hack is a mascara hack. If I say hack one more time. I've talked about this one before, but it really is one of my favorites and I think it's one of the most useful. So I'm gonna talk about it again. So this happens to everyone. You're putting on your mascara, having a great time, and then you bump your eyelid and it ruins, you know, your day. So this is how you get it off without having to like get a Q-tip, lick it, you know, try to wipe it off your eyelid and then it smudges. This is a way to get it off without having to deal with that hassle. Instead of trying to wipe it off immediately and then everything going downhill, you wait for it to dry and then you come back after doing something and you flick it off with a spoolie. Okay, so this is one of my favorite makeup tips. I really like sharing this one with people. So when you order clothes or basically order anything, you get these little gel like silica bags, and like usually you just throw them away, like, you know, they're gone, they're trash, whatever. But I like to save mine and put them in my makeup drawers, or if you have like a little makeup box or something, put these in with them so it collects moisture and prevents mold and stuff like that, just to keep your makeup like as fresh as possible and you know, try to extend that longevity of it. So definitely keep these and put them with your makeup. It's also reusing them, so it's like not as wasteful because they're getting 2 uses, one when they ship, 2, you know, when they're in your makeup. So yeah, I really like that trick. Okay, so this is a liquid lipstick tip, and it really changed my makeup game when I figured out exactly how to use liquid lipstick perfectly. So I used to just like take the liquid lipstick, pile it on like full coverage, swipe, like get every inch of it like perfect, pigmented, boom. But I found that to be so drying. I layered too much on so it would like crack throughout the day and crumble. And so to prevent that, you just have to put on a thinner coat than you think you need. So I like to put on a little lip liner. This isn't mandatory though. Put a little lip liner on, then take my liquid lipstick and kind of do a little bit in the middle. Put a little bit on in the middle of my lips. Take a finger or even a makeup brush and tap it out and blend it out so it thins out that product as well as blends it into that liner or your lips, depending on if you're wearing a liner or not. It makes the lips look so good. You still get that pigment, but it's not that discomfort of dryness, crackly, crumbly. Okay, and then the last tip I have is kind of a like financial tip, a finance hack, if you will. Okay, so let's talk about brows for a second. I used to love brow pencils. It's so easy to use, just draw, easy to fix if you mess up. But I was buying an eyebrow pencil like once a month because they go by so fast and it's something you use every day. So I was buying eyebrow pencils like God only knows. And one day I was like, you know what? Let's try pomade, bruh. Like, why not? I got the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I have been using this thing for 3 weeks and I've barely created a dent. Like, I've barely created a dent. So this is gonna last me probably a year. And that is saving me a lot of money because the eyebrow pencils I get are like either Anastasia or Benefit and they're like 20 to 25 bucks. So that's saving me, I can't crunch numbers in my head, but whatever that is times 12, like this is saving me that much money. So get yourself a pomade if you will, and just try to figure out how to use a pomade instead of a pencil because it really is more like financially efficient, if you will. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you found some use out of these hacks. Let me know which one's your favorite down in the comments below, which one you think you might use in the future. And make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And that's all I have for you. So stay on fleek, friends. Bye.